Designed for fruits, vegetables, and everyday food packing, these flat produce bags come in compact rolls for quick and practical use. Available in multiple roll formats, the bags are produced from large film rolls prepared for continuous converting and cutting operations. Produced in compact roll formats for convenient food packing applications, these flat produce bags are converted from large-scale film rolls prepared for continuous processing and high-volume manufacturing operations. Inside the production line, the film continuously moves through sealing, perforating, cutting, rewinding, and roll forming operations. Each stage is synchronized to support smoother roll structure, cleaner bag separation, and more stable finished roll quality throughout the converting process. The finished material is then wound onto paper cores, separated into individual rolls, and discharged automatically from the machine. After production, the finished rolls are counted, aligned, bundled, and packed manually into larger shipping units, helping prepare orders more efficiently for storage, handling, and export distribution. Prepared rolls are organized for shipment and daily distribution. During use, each bag tears away smoothly from the roll through a clear perforated tear line designed for quicker and more convenient handling. The flexible film structure also provides good stretchability, helping the bags perform more reliably during everyday food and produce packing applications. In practical use, fruits and vegetables can be packed quickly and efficiently for daily retail and food handling applications. With 3 factories and a production capacity of up to 5,000 tons per month, HAPLAST supports large-scale packaging supply for global shipment demands. Supported by manufacturing certifications and long-term cooperation with international partners, HAPLAST continues providing practical packaging solutions for food packing and export supply chains worldwide. Contact HAPLAST for reliable food packaging solutions tailored to your business needs.